Hello, just wanted to share with you an inexpensive awning that I've used to house my robot, my mowing robot, Automower. Found this at Walmart. Of course, they have them at Amazon and other places. This one happens to be $32.99 at the time of this recording. Very easy to put together, sturdy. The brackets in the frame are a real sturdy ABS plastic, and the panels are a polycarbonate, and they're kind of semi-transparent, but they will block out the sun and just help with rain. I actually have one of these on the back of my daughter's house in Illinois, and it's worked really well for her. You'll see the robot docking, so you can kind of catch the clearance here. Shouldn't be any problem. You can obviously change the height depending on what you mount it to. So, your options are open there. You can mount it sideways, you can mount it forward, backward. Doesn't really matter. I'm just giving you an illustration about the distance you're looking at. Even cutting the 2x4s, this project took me about an hour. So it's a really easy project. To give you an idea of the size on this, this should work on just about any robot on the market. They're gonna have to, if you don't have a ledge like I have, that cross tie, you can take those 2x4s or a 4x4 and sharpen it on the bottom, drive it in the ground, put it in concrete, doesn't matter. Either way, just so you have something secure to run your screws into, then it's not going anywhere. See how firm that is. Good cheap fix. I looked it up today. This was $32.99. A couple of 2x4s. You might have $10 in lumber and screws. If you need a bag of concrete, add another $5. Pretty inexpensive weather covering for your robot. Highly recommend. Hey, if you found this project useful, please hit that like and subscribe button. Also, there's a link in the description. Click it and you'll go right straight to this product. I may earn a small commission if you click through and buy from there, but it doesn't cost you a bit extra and it helps support my channel.